Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology, Shaka Santa, and Tutu Mele and MXM068. I've got Nailtiques Formula 2 and IMK's Peeleze on as my base coats. And this is Shaka Santa. This is from a Mani and Me box. I don't know which one because I had too many sitting on my desk. And here is Tutu Mele. Both beautiful polishes. So we're going to paint these on our nails today. Look at that red. Oh, so pretty. I don't usually paint my nails with the Maniology stamping polishes. I use them for stamping, but they do work really nice as nail polishes. Gonna cap my free edge here. Got some mess going on, so here we go. Hi Woody, how you doing? Gotta clean up this mess. There we go. Okay, and now for this one. Now the polishes are different, like the formulas are a little different. This one's a little more smooth with more of a shimmer running through it, whereas the red one has more like glitter. That's just my opinion. Y'all know I'm not a professional nail polish nothing. So here we go. I'm going to get Woody back out here. Thank you, Woody. Alright, so we're going to go in for second coats. Although you really probably could get away with one coat of these. Especially this red one. Very opaque. And the green one looked pretty good too. Just all depends on your application and your visible nail line. Sorry, y'all, I had to get that one up close so I could get up close to that edge there. Alright. We're going to top this with I&M's Out the Door top coat. It's a fast drying top coat that I don't have any trouble with shrinking or anything, and I like to use it as my on top of polish before I stamp top coat. And it just makes the polish dry down faster so we can do the rest of that playing that we like to do. I do cap my free edge with the top coat as well. Gotta get Woody back out here. I didn't realize I was this messy. There we go. Here's a swatch photo of them on their own. How pretty. And this is Maniology MXM069. I'm going to get this blue film off of it so we can clean it up and get it ready to play. I got my It's La Cosadora scraper out, and I'm using both of the polishes that I painted my nails with, but I'm alternating, you know, which ones, you know, the green's going on the red nails and the red's going on the green nails. And that is a Maniology cube stamper. Very nice stamper, very sticky and squishy. I likes it. So here we go. We're going to get this image. Now, these plates were technically should have been used for Christmas manis, but I'm not sure if mine was here before Christmas. I don't think it was. I think mine, this was the one that got lost in the mail. So I tried to pick images off of these plates, or this plate, that wasn't really Christmas. You could use them year-round anytime. So that's why we're going with this image here. I just thought it would work good. Good enough. So we're going to see how this green nail looks with this red stamping over it. And I think they both turned out really well. I think that both of them stamped over each other quite nice. And I do really like it when the box works like that. You know, that the polishes can be used together and show up good. There we go. I'm going to go in here with a piece of tape and get some of this excess off of my skin. It's coming up very nicely with the little tape trick. Even up under there. But we are going to break out our acetone and the cleanup brush and give it a final once over. You guys know I'm pretty good about that. Alright, so we're going to top this with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. This seals in that stamping without smearing it. And for this here manicure, it worked really well. And once that is totally dry, I'm going to top it with the Poshe top coat. This is my favorite. There we go. Beautiful glossy top coat over that. As you can see the stamping on both nails over both colors. It works really, really well. That is so pretty. Alright, now for the magic for this fingernail. Ta-da! And they still do look very Christmassy. I mean, you know, red and green together, and it just looks Christmassy. But I really enjoyed it. Didn't matter what time of the year it was. Here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about it. And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.